Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Another free macro that I've just kind of started playing around with from our friend Eskimo. You know, you can take inside a Corel and grab that and hold down the shift key and build a bounding box around that. But see how this is a thicker, if we look at it in hairline wireframe, it's bounding to the to the size of the item. But my line is thicker on this. Same thing on the star. It's just a little bit bigger. So to do that in Corel, you get that. If you needed a placement on a plaque and you wanted to run a red hairline around it to make sure it's going to do it, you'd want the true size. So right here, you can use true size of object. And we can put a bounding box around this. And now it's to that size. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about, if you wanted uh, anything and you wanted it on your plaque way down here, you'd want to run a red hairline with your door open so it won't burn your wood on a laser, and it'll make sure it's on your plaque. I mean, I even do this to miss knot holes in wood so I won't engrave this part on wood. Now, not only, I don't know, you can do just one item and build a bounding box. You know, you can do all the items and build a bounding box. But what you cannot do in Corel, well, you can't do that absolute size, but we can also put a 0.25 inch absolute margin around it and build a bounding box. Now we've got a 0.25 of an inch buffer around everything. I can see just doing this just to make something and then take that hairline and make it, a quarter inch. And of course it's a quarter inch on both sides. So you still got a eighth of an inch overlap. But I've been played around with it, even on back of layers and relative margin and absolute margin. But it's not the neatest macro I've ever seen from him, but it's got its uses. And I will leave a link to this macro at the bottom in the description of the video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.